In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage accessibility settings in Slack. If you use Slack every day, dialing in these settings can make conversations, notifications, and navigation more comfortable and consistent with the way you work. Whether you're using a screen reader, prefer reduced motion, or just want clearer visual cues, it only takes a moment to get to the right place. Start by heading to slack.com. You can do this in any modern browser, and the process is very similar in the Slack desktop app. Once Slack loads and you're in your workspace, look toward the bottom left corner of the interface. You'll see your profile icon. This might be your photo or your initials. That icon opens your personal menu and is the quickest way to reach your account controls. Click the profile icon to open the menu, then choose Preferences. Preferences is your hub for personal settings in Slack. This is where you manage things like notifications, themes, language, and of course accessibility. When the Preferences window or panel opens, it will appear over your current view, so you won't lose your place in any conversations. Inside Preferences, select Accessibility. This section is dedicated to features that help you see, hear, and navigate Slack in a way that suits you best. You'll find options commonly related to screen reader compatibility, keyboard navigation, and visual comfort. For example, you may see settings to reduce motion or animations, which can help if you're sensitive to movement or simply prefer a calmer interface. There may be controls for how images, GIFs, and emoji animations behave, so content doesn't animate unexpectedly. You'll typically find options that improve focus outlines and contrast, making it easier to track where you are when tabbing through elements or reading message threads. If you rely on a screen reader, features here are designed to ensure Slack communicates information more clearly and predictably. As you review each setting, look for short descriptions beneath the toggles or checkboxes. These explain exactly what changes and how it affects your experience. Most changes apply immediately, so you can decide what feels right without leaving the page. If something seems off, you can always return here and adjust it again. Remember that these accessibility preferences are personal to your account, not to the entire workspace, so your teammates' views won't be affected. Also, Slack works alongside your operating system's accessibility tools. If you've set high contrast or reduced motion at the system level, Slack's options can complement those settings. That's it. You've opened Slack, accessed your profile menu, entered preferences, and navigated straight to accessibility. Take a minute to explore the options available and tailor Slack so it works smoothly for you.